This video presents an overview of the arthroscopic ultrasound-assisted REC repair of lateral ligament. We don't have any disclosures. Under ultrasound guidance, advance the needle past the ATFL to just below the peroneal tendon and reach the CFL. Upon reaching the desired location, turn the needle medially to encompass the entire ATFL or both the ATFL and the CFL, then turn it proximally and anteriorly. Once the needle tip is in position under the arthroscope, a nitinol loop wire is deployed through the needle and visualized under the arthroscope. And the needle is removed while ensuring the loop remains in place. A bird-beak suture passer is then inserted through the accessory anterolateral portal. The suture passer is used to grasp the nitinol loop and pull it out through the accessory anterolateral portal. At this stage, the nitinol loop should fully capture the ATFL or the lateral ligament complex intended for repair.